Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your BOSE S1 Pro Plus. So basically we have a few options how to check it. We can use an application or we can find this information at the speaker. And let's get started with an application. Just open it, then go to the settings at the right top. Now scroll down and you need to find technical information. Tap on it and right here in the second line we have serial number. You can check it here, but as I said previous, we can also use a speaker. So just give me a moment. So the serial number located at the bottom of the speaker, and right here we have it. This is actually a serial number. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.